Hello everyone, welcome back to Career Sync. In this video, we are going to discuss the latest interview questions from 11th May 2025 and it is based on phase 3 students, so must watch this video till the end. Now, let's get started with the first candidate. The question directly started with the collection framework. So you can see that collection and the types of collection, HashMap code to print the employees, your Java knowledge level means how much you can code, Java latest version, print without duplicates, only logic. By using set, we can do that. Also about HashMap, final keyword, final method, and final class. Are you able to relocate to any location? What will you do when your project deadline is coming, but you are getting errors? So these are the situational based questions that they are asking. How can you learn a new technology? Level of your SQL knowledge, difference between drop and truncate, what happens when you update without using conditions, constraint in SQL, and difference between primary key and unique key. Interview went well and got the completion mail within 10 minutes. So if you don't receive any completion mail, just raise a query that you have completed your interview but you did not receive the completion mail. Otherwise, you will be not getting any result after the interview. Now, for the second candidate, it has also happened today, which is for cluster 2 at 10 at 19 a.m. He asked to show his ID, mark list and the room because some are taking help from their neighbors or friends. So they are checking the room. Now they started with the self-introduction project, Python rate, how much you will rate yourself out of 5 or 10. Data types, list, program on list like create a list, append and remove, like CRUD operations like that. Tuple, create a tuple, factorial code. What is the meaning of how the map and filter function work? Static method and class method, reverse an array. It is important question. I think everybody is solving this question first. Now about create a table joins and basic questions. For the third candidate, it was a big one. So must watch this. Like we will be seeing the questions like cloud technologies. Like they are asking SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. Tell me 10 to 15 sentence about your birthplace hometown. If I ever visit Bangalore, which place do you recommend me to visit? So these are the questions that they are asking, and all the questions they are already repeated once. So you need to focus on the new questions. All the resources are in our Telegram channel. I will be providing the link in the group. There you don't have to find many resources. In that PDF, you can crack the interview very easily. Now for the candidate 4, tell me about yourself, willingness to relocate, HR questions, and all the questions are related to the old ones. Here you can see that short program to find the largest number from unsorted list. 4 pillars of hoops. Sometimes they are asking 6 pillars of hoops. So you have to know all the questions and basic program on statistics like finding mean. You can do using and also basic idea on cloud computing. So you have to well prepared for everything. And suppose you are building a web application for a library, then what are the special feature that you want to include in your website? And what do you think that I may get an issue while building that application? Now, for the last candidate, you can see the questions are very short, like self-introduction, data types, list tuple difference, concat, to-list program, SQL commands like DDL, DML, TCL, and joins. What is cloud computing? Are you able to relocate? Okay with the shifts and any questions? That's it. Here it's the end of the interview questions. All the questions are already in our Telegram group, so join. There you can find the all the resources which can help you to clear the interview. Also, we have two groups, like one for any doubt you have, you can send it to the for discussions, and another is only for resources. So join our Telegram both channel. It will be helpful for you. Thank everyone for watching this video.